said, Lorna, if I do not heal you, will you still trust me? That was a very strong arrest in my soul because I'm like, you know, sometimes we have this, yeah, sure, Lord, you know, but then when it finally hit, the reality hits, if he doesn't heal me, can I really trust him? And I remember saying, yes, Lord, if you don't heal me, I'll still trust you. And that became my, testimony that I don't remember him healing me, like direct, not a suddenly you're not taking any more medication, but slowly. That put rest in my mind that, okay, you may not get over this, so suck it up, buttercup, you know. And God is faithful one more time to see me through, that I was no longer focused on the healing, but focused on the healer.